Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this look using the MARRAKECH eyeshadow palette from KLARA Cosmetics. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. So I'm first starting off with this yellow shade here, and I'm using that as my transition shade and really buffing that out into the crease. Next, taking this warmer brown eyeshadow and placing that into the crease to give the eye more definition. And you can purchase this palette on KLARAcosmetics.com, and you can also use the code NatalieB15 to receive 15% off of your purchase. After that, going in with this gorgeous gold shade that has some shimmer through it and applying that across the eyelid. Next, taking this brown shade and focusing that into the outer corner just to make it look a little bit more dramatic. Then going back in with the first shade that we used and blending over top to make sure there's no harsh edges. Next, going in with some mascara to the top lashes just to prepare them for some lashes on top. Then the lashes I'm going in with today are the ones from SOSU, and they're in the style called New York. Next, taking this purple shade underneath the bottom lash line. Then taking the shimmer purple in the palette and layering that on top. And then next going in with the black shadow and placing that up against the bottom lashes. This is definitely one of my favourites from KLARA Cosmetics, as I love to add pops of colour to my makeup. Then applying the same mascara to the bottom lashes to make them look nice and thick. Onto highlighting, I'm taking this shade here onto the brow bone and inner corner. Then to highlight the cheekbones, I'm using one of my favourites. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Then to finish off the whole look, I'm using my fave lip combo, and I'm starting off by lining the lips with the NYX Cosmetics Retractable Lip Liner in the shade called Sand Beige. And then on top, using the McGrath lipstick in the shade called Realness. So I also use a lip brush to apply this lipstick just to make the application more easier. So you guys, that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed watching. Please let me know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see from me, and also give the video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.